So we're coming back around on the circle, and we'll do 1 and 4. Whoopsies. And then 2 and 1. I'm just making sure that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 and 1. And then slip stitch join in the top of your beginning double crochet for a total of 72 double crochet. I just give those stitches a little tug to stretch them into place, and it should lay flat. And now we'll do the increase row of the beginning double crochet in the first space, and then double crochet in the next 4. And then 2 double crochet in the next space. So it's 1 and 5. And 2 and 1. And just continue that increase. For a total of 84 on that round. And I'll catch y'all when I get around to the other side.